Hi there, and welcome to the third episode of ReinardSynth, in which I'm focusing on repairing the keybed of a Yamaha P120. A lot of Yamaha digital pianos use the same GH88 keybed, and especially the ones made in the early noughties are prone to bits breaking off the white keys, causing problems like hanging keys, stuck keys or wobbly keys. I will show you how to take apart the P120 and then how to replace those keys. Have fun! This is a 88 GH graded hammer keybed, often used in P80, P90, P120, S90, S90, S, etc., etc. A lot of keyboard synthesizers, even Motive 88 keys is using this keybed. This keybed has a very common failure mode in that the corners break off. Hope you can see it. There you go. And sometimes, well, actually often, those fractures are just beginning to appear, and you have to really check each and every key if there's a crack developing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going through the whole keybed. I'm going through the whole keybed, and let's see if I can find more keys that are damaged. I'm expecting a bloodbath because a lot of keys are either out or are hanging. They're unevenly spaced, so yeah, let's see what happens. To get those keys out, you need a normal credit card style thingamabob, and look on the key, there's an arrow where you should put the credit card and push it down a bit, flip it to the front, sorry, and you can take it out. And let's see, is this okay? This one is okay, thank you. Let's move to the next. This primarily happens with the white keys, so I'm focusing first on the white keys. This one is okay. I will take them out, and then afterwards I will clean up, do a thorough cleaning. This one does not appear to be okay. Yeah, there you go. I hope you can see it. It's broken. So let's continue. Sorry. By the way, I'm wearing gloves because I saw there were a lot of cat hairs in the keybed, and I'm allergic to cats, so I'm trying to keep my hands clean. Normally always a wise thing to do. This one is okay.
A few moments later.
So there we go. Removed all the keys. In total 11 keys are broken. I have to replace. I think I have them in stock, but lots of cats here, so let's clean that up straight away. And while I'm cleaning the keys, a word on collecting spare keys. I always try to maintain a stash of spare keys for common key beds. And how do I get them? Well, sometimes I buy a synth organ or a digital piano just for the keys, or after an unsuccessful repair, I decide not to sell off the keybed to replenish my stock. I focus on getting those keys for synths I most often have to handle, so I try to get keys for the Yamaha FS keybed as used in the DX7, M1 and Tritons of the world, and of course also the Yamaha digital pianos, and also I have some keys for Roland keybeds like used in the XP.
3 weeks later.